Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Andianto MPD, the Honorable Mr. Dimas Sukma Cahyadi MPD. On this occasion, I will to present my thesis proposal with the title The Influence Student Reading Ability by Fact or Opinion in Narrative Text. But before, let me introduce myself. My name is Samya Kusumawati. My student number 19010520001. Let me start it. Chapter 1, Introduction, Background of the Study. English as foreign language should be learned by the student at school. In the process of teaching and learning English, the students are taught for skill. They are speaking, writing, listening, and reading. One of the four skills that plays important role in mastering English is reading. Additionally, it is stated in a competence standard of KTSP curriculum that students are expected to master reading comprehension of short, fictional text and short essay is the term of narrative and English in daily context. For mastering reading comprehension, the teacher should help the student to facilitate and find the effective method and to develop student reading comprehension. By using effective methods, the student can follow the lessons well and they can increase their reading comprehension because the method of teaching influence the student. It can be younger to understand the meaning of context. One of the most important skills that students need to improve their reading comprehension is the ability to distinguish between fact and opinion, a higher order thinking skill. This skill is particularly important because of the proliferation of altered truth circulating the internet through email and website propaganda that too many people take as fact because it is written when in reality it is merely opinion. Students must learn to ferret out fact from opinion. They need to learn the question what they read, research it, and determine the truth. The skill of identifying fact from opinion is a necessary skill for higher order comprehension and is also important for increasing stats that test score. Learning to distinguish what is true from what is false so that the decisions our students make are based on correct information is a critical life skill. For the research question based on background of the study is how is student ability in comprehending fact in narrative text and how is student ability in comprehending opinion in narrative text. So the main purpose of the research is to describe the student ability in comprehending fact in narrative text and to describe the student ability in comprehending opinion in narrative text. The next is significance of the research. For English teacher, the result of the research is expected to be able to give the information for the English teacher about the problem in finding fact and opinion in narrative text. For the student, the result of the research is expected to help them easier in finding fact and opinion narrative text. And for the research, this research can give new knowledge and technique that can be used in teaching for finding fact and opinion because the research is going to be an educator. In order to make the teaching learning process in English subject be more fun and active but still has the purpose in understanding narrative text. Now we move to chapter 2, literature review. Definition of the reading. Reading is what happens when people look at a text and assigns meaning to the written symbols in that text. Reading as interpreting means reading to a written text as piece of communication. Based off definition above, it can We conclude that reading is process to obtain meaning from a written text. 5 aspects to the process of reading is phonics, phonemic awareness, vocabulary, reading comprehension, and fluency. These 5 aspects work together to create the reading experience. And the next definition of narrative text. Narrative text is story or narration even if it is true or fiction. Joyce and Vijay state the narrative text is story expressly one or else more than two individuals who solve a problem. Kinds of narrative text is folklore, personal experience, historical, narrative, and etc. The next fact or opinion. Definition fact. According to Oxford Learner's Pocket Dictionary, fact is things that is known to be true and reality. So fact can call that something which can responsibilities and can evaluate the truth. Characteristic of fact according to Idris Gunawan is it must be proven that it's real and people may use it in any form of research as is reliable and that it has hard and concrete evidence to prove that it is real and people will thus find it hard to disagree with it and it is something that everyone agrees with. For criteria of fact or type of fact is general fact and special fact. Next opinion. Definition of opinion. According to Oxford Pocket Dictionary, opinion is feeling or talk about somebody or something. Opinion is a subjective belief and is the result of emotion and interpretation of fact. For criteria, opinion is containing personal opinion or other people subjective and having relative worth and for the chapter 3 literature review. For the research design, the design of this research is descriptive quantitative. For population and sample, in population, the research takes the student second year because at second years was suitable problem and issues for this research. To sample, this research use stratified random sampling. And then for the instrument of this research use test. Technique of data collecting, this research relies on the test developed into tests for the technique of collecting data. And this research use narrative text. Technique of data analysis, after the data was collected, that it was scored to know the student ability in comprehending fact and opinion in narrative text. Well, I have presented all the content of my thesis proposal from chapter 1 until 3. That's all of my presentation. Thank you very much for your nice attention and I will be ready to answer the question and I hope that I can answer question well. Thank you very much.